In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to borrow money from Fairmoney app. And if you're just creating a Fairmoney account, you will need to link your BVN in order to be able to proceed to borrow money from the platform. So let's say, for example, you want to borrow money from Fairmoney without BVN. I'm very sorry that maybe you will not be able to do that, because you will need to link your BVN before you can actually proceed. So once you already link your BVN, then you'll be able to see this page just like this. You can see right here, get a loan in 5 minutes. So get up to 3 million naira available. That is what it's actually showing to me. So I don't know what you're gonna be seeing if it's your own account, because I guess it's because of my BVN that I link. That is why it's showing just like this, because back in the days before I linked my BVN, it was showing just 1 million naira, but now it's showing 3 million in 5 minutes. So what you're gonna do is just click on get loan, then the page will just load just like this. You can see get started with your loan, help us understand what you are looking for. So how much do you need? You're gonna provide the loan amount right here. Let's say you want to borrow 50,000 naira, for example. Then your monthly income, you're gonna provide it right there. So let's say you are earning 20,000 naira monthly, then you can click on next. So it's gonna show times of use. Then you can see if you pay on time, higher amount up to 1 million naira installment. If you late, automatic debt, interest for overdue amount, credit bureau, and all this stuff. So you have to read through all this. Then once you read through and you agreed, you can click on agreed to the terms and privacy policy. Then you can click on confirm. So I don't want to click on confirm right here, because most of these loan apps used to believe that you literally want to borrow money. Once you click on the agreed to the terms of their platform. So but then if you click on agree to the terms, they're gonna verify or look into your details, and once all your details meet up to their needs, then they're gonna grant your loan and disburse the loan directly to the bank account you provided, or through the inside of your Fairmoney account. Then you can decide to transfer it from your Fairmoney account to another bank account of yours. So this way you can actually borrow money from Fairmoney app without any issue. So it's very simple and straightforward, as long as you provided all the details they requested for. So you're gonna be able to use the platform or the app to borrow money without any issue. And if you have any question, you can let us know through the comment section below. Thank you, I will see you in the next one.